New York City is a bustling metropolis with a wide range of tourist attractions to explore. Here are 10 popular ones. 1. Statue of Liberty. A symbol of freedom and democracy, the Statue of Liberty is located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor. 2. Times Square. Known as the crossroads of the world, Times Square is famous for its bright lights, Broadway theaters, and bustling atmosphere. 3. Central Park. This expansive urban park offers a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. You can stroll through the beautiful landscapes. 4. Empire State Building. One of the most iconic skyscrapers in the world, the Empire State Building offers breathtaking views of the city from its observation deck on the 86th floor. 5. The Metropolitan Museum of Art. The Met, as it's commonly known, houses an extensive collection of art and artifacts from around the world. It's one of the largest and most prestigious art museums in the United States. 6. Museum of Modern Art, MoMA. MoMA is renowned for its impressive collection of modern and contemporary art, featuring works by famous artists such as Picasso, Van Gogh, and Warhol. 7. Broadway shows. Catching a Broadway show is a quintessential NYC experience. There are numerous theaters throughout the city, offering a wide range of productions, from musicals to dramas. 8. One World Observatory. Located atop One World Trade Center, the observatory provides panoramic views of Manhattan and the surrounding areas. 9. Brooklyn Bridge. Walk or bike across this historic suspension bridge, which connects Manhattan and Brooklyn. 10. The High Line. This unique elevated park was built on a former railway line and features beautiful gardens, art installations, and scenic views of the city. It's a great place for a leisurely stroll. These are just a few of the many attractions New York City has to offer. The city's rich cultural diversity ensures there's something for every type of traveler to enjoy.